How business changed now compared to the time you lived in China?
I lived in China 2012 to 2019, and back then there was a different layer of doing international business. The main factories would sell the products to traditional trade companies locally in China, then they would sell it to overseas wholesale companies, and the wholesale companies would go to e-commerce. Now, every manufacturer in China can actually sell online on TikTok, Amazon, e-commerce world, actually dominated by 50% of Chinese sellers globally. So now it's totally direct to consumer, even coming from the factory. So this actually cut off a lot of wholesalers in the business, and even the large retailers in the US can go and buy the product directly from the Chinese manufacturer. They don't need the local middleman, local wholesalers. So this is the biggest change, and I feel it's getting more and more popular. The main manufacturer go and start creating their own brand. One thing that I feel it was missing by these brands in China, that they didn't really understand the marketing that much. They didn't know the branding, but now they understand the packaging, user manual. They understand the better language. They start opening companies in local markets. So the way of doing business back then, now it's very different. This brings a lot of opportunities to the e-commerce brands to go and source their own product and differentiate themselves from the manufacturers, because there are so many details actually an e-commerce brand can focus that manufacturers cannot think of, because it's not their core business.
Contact us today and get $500 off your shipment.